In Site Admin, on the Site Reports page, you can access the Completion Overview Reporting dashboard. In the Overview tab, you can find a visual overview of user distribution and course completion stats on your LMS. In the Completion Progress tab, you can see site-wide progress across all courses in one report. You can customize this report by selecting which fields you would like to include as columns. You can also apply filters to pull data for specific groups of users or courses. When you then select Get Report, your customized progress report will be displayed for you to view online or export and share with stakeholders. In the Completion Over Time tab, you can see a high-level overview of enrollment and course completion on your site over the past 12 months. Finally, in the AI Suggestions tab, you can see how users are progressing through their enrolled courses on your site. And clicking on Get Insights will link you to the AI Suggestions reporting dashboard.